everyone. In today's short video, I am going to talk about 3 top online IDs. So these are purely my recommendation and these are my favorites. So there is no force that you have to go with this, but you can definitely consider it whenever you want to work with IDs. So the very first one is Repl. So it is an online environment that provides interactive coding experience and it supports huge range of languages starting from C#, Java, C++, Scala, JavaScript, and many more. In fact, it supports more than 50 languages. It has 2 different areas, editor and the console. So you can type in your editor and you can have a look at the results on the other hand side. It has integrated support of GitHub, so in seamless way you can push your code, pull your code, keep it handy whenever you are working with Repl. And you can reach out to Repl using Repl.it.com. So this is the URL which you can hit if you want to try out Repl. Next recommendation is Code Anywhere. So whenever you want to connect with your own servers, you can use any of these protocols as it supports. So it could be FTP, you can go with SSH, and it supports many intelligent features like autocomplete, code refactoring. You can rename your variables, you can go to definition, and many more. And coming on to the language, it supports PHP, Ruby, C#, Go, Java, Lang. It supports almost all the languages which are supported by VS Code, which is one of the famous editor. And it has fully integrated Git client support, and you can reach out to Code Anywhere using codeanywhere.com URL. And my third recommendation for today is GSFiddle, and it is the tool which is mainly used for web development. It has a very good support for HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So you can also find some boilerplate code for React, TypeScript, CoffeeScript, Bootstrap, and much more. Of course, you can reach out to, or you can use GSFiddle by reaching on this URL, gsfiddle.net. I hope you enjoyed my 3 recommendations for today and keep watching. Thank you.